My name's Alan Sanchez, and I'm here with GrassMasters Synthetic Turf and Exteriors. We specialize in mainly artificial turf, exteriors, pavers, concrete, exterior design. We could help out with landscaping, decorative rock, anything that you might want to incorporate into your backyard and your home, we could help you out with. There's a lot of benefits to it. Number one is the maintenance aspect. It's very low maintenance. You don't have to keep cutting it, watering it. You don't need the sprinkler system to maintain and keep it looking green and healthy. Depending on the traffic and the size of the area that is turfed, you only have to maintain it maybe once every couple months or a year or so, compared to the constant maintenance of grass and sod. All these variables are out the window once you go to artificial synthetic turf. We're really passionate about working hand in hand with our clients in achieving their vision of what their home could be. And once we get to that goal and we complete it, that's the fulfilling part. You're seeing the look on their face, their smile, and actually saying, wow, this looks great. You can call us at 1-888-FLA-TURF, or you can drop into GrassMasters.com and you can leave your information there and we will contact you as well.